Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nelo and you're watching Nelostitshes. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please hit the subscribe button below and subscribe, like and share my video and turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time I upload new video. Today we'll be learning how to make this off-shoulder ruffle flounce. You can use it as an S-metric. As you can see, this is an S-metric way of using it. You can use it as an off-shoulder or anything, even sleeve, any design you want. So I'll be showing you how to achieve this and also how to fix it to your dress or top. So the measurement you need for this is your round shoulder and the length of your ruffle. Okay, so the round shoulder I'm working with is 28 plus 2 inches zipper allowance, making it 30. So, and I'll be dividing the 30 with 6.28 because this is a 360-degree flay. Okay, so and the length I'm working with is 20. So when I divide 30 with 6.28, what I got is 4.7 something, but I'll bring it down to 4.5 because this is just a tutorial. I'm not using it on any dress in particular, but use your accurate measurement. Okay, so I'll be using 4.5 as my radius for this flay plus 20 inches, which is the length. That will make it 24.5, okay, inches. 24.5 inches. So I'm going to take 24.5 this way. From this tip I'll measure 24.5. so this is 24.5. I'm going to fold it into two like this. Okay, so after folding, I noticed that my fabric is not enough. I'm having shortage. Okay, so I don't have up to 1.5 1.5 yards of fabric here. What I have is 1 and some inches. Okay, so it's not up to the 24. This is what I mean. Okay, as you can see, I'm having shortage. So what I'm going to do is to just merge it up together to be equal, because this is just a tutorial. I'm not using it on any dress, as I've said earlier. So I'm going to measure what I have there. I think I have 21 or so. Okay, so the same thing I got there, I'm going to take it this way, but please use your accurate measurement. Okay, so I'm just doing this a tutorial. I'm just showing you how to cut and sew this. Okay, so I've measured what I have there this other way and I folded it into two like this. That means I'm having 4 folds now. Excuse me. So this is just basically the way we cut our 360-degree flay. Okay, there is no difference, just this exactly the way we cut 360-degree flay. Okay, so I folded my fabric into 4 now. Next, I'm going to start taking my measurement. First of all, I'll be taking my radius. If you like, you can take the length first before taking your radius, but I'll be taking the radius first of all, which is 4.5. So I'll be marking 4.5 this way. 4.5. 4.5. Okay, and I will connect them together like this. So after this, I'm going to take the length, which is 21, either 21.5 or 21. Okay, so I'll be marking it round like this. Just leave your tape here and be rotating your tape. Okay, so I'll be rotating it this way and I'm going to mark. Okay, so this is what you'll be doing all around. This is what you'll be marking all around. So this is 21.5. Okay, so I just want to make sure I have the accurate measurement. And so I was actually marking 22 inches before and I noticed it was not enough. So I had to reduce it to 21.5. Okay, that was what happened there. I was marking 22 and I noticed it was not enough. I had to reduce it to 21.5. So because this is just a tutorial, please use your accurate measurement. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to use a white chalk to highlight it so that you guys will see what I marked clearly. Okay, I'll use white chalk to do that now. Okay, so as you can see, I've used white chalk to highlight it. So this is what you have after marking your length. So now I'm going to cut this out. So I'll be cutting this off camera, okay? So after cutting out my flay, what I'm going to do is to notch the edges here. I'm going to hold this point and notch the two together, and hold this other side and notch. And I'll do the same thing on the down part. I'll notch here, and I'll also notch here. Mind you, I'm holding the two together. Okay, so I'm going to open it up and notch these 4 areas. So I'm going to open it up and tear open one part because we'll be using a zipper. Okay, so you need to open up one side. So I'm going to open up one side. So the next I'm going to do after opening this is to merge the 2 edges together. Right side facing right side of each other. You fold it this way and then you sew down, okay? You do the same on this other side. You're going to fold this way and you stitch it down, right side facing the right side. So I'm done doing that. I'm going to open it, turn it out like this. Here too, I'm going to turn it to the right side now. So what I'm going to do next is the this point, this part that is the shoulder measurement. All the notches, I'm going to merge the notches together. This notch, I'll match it with this other notch. So you're going to merge all the notches together. So this other center notch, I'm going to look for the other notch. This is it. This is the next notch at the down part, and I'll match it together. I will pin. Cool. All right, so this other notch also, I'm going to look for the next notch and I'll match it together like this. This is just to enable you get accurate gather or pleats. Okay, this is to help you gather it accurately so that some parts will not be too full and you have shortage on the other side, just to get an accurate ruffle. Okay, so I'm going to gather this way, just the way I'm showing you. I'm going to gather everything to enter into this space, okay, like this. You gather everything round. So I'm done doing that. As you can see, I've gathered it to enter into the space, and this is what we have after that. Okay, this is what we have after doing the gathering. And next, I'm going to show you how to attach this to your off shoulder, okay, to your dress. So let's assume this is the neckline and this is the right side. So don't sew this way on the right side. Don't sew this way because this part is going to be showing. You're going to turn it this way and sew on the wrong side so that when you flip over to the right side, it will look neat like this. Don't sew this way on the right side. Okay, don't sew like this on the right side. You're going to take it on the inside of your dress and sew it on from the wrong side, then you flip it over to the right side. Okay, you sew from the wrong side and flip it over to the right side, and it will be neat to conceal the inside, the rough part of your dress, okay, of your flounce. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to this channel if you're new, and if you have any question, leave it on the comment below and I will try my best to attend to that. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.